Welcome to Positive Atheism English channel. Today I am going to continue the article on medical social work of Atheist Center. Medical camps. Vasavya Nursing Home has collaborated with many non-governmental organizations such as Adhika Samta Mandal, Vasavya Mahila Mandali and Samskar, service groups such as the Rotary International Innerville, governmental organizations including the Indian Medical Association and the media, specifically Enadu and Varta, as well as many other education institutes for conducting camps in urban and rural areas of Andhra Pradesh. These programs include multi-speciality camps, eye and dental camps, gynec and obstetric camps, programs for the physically challenged, orthopedic and blood donation camps. These camps allow specialized medical services to be delivered to many different areas on a rotating basis. On its campus in Vijayawada, Vasavya Nursing Home also hosts the permanent Swechha Gora Eye Bank, which holds an annual eye donation drive and awareness campaign, as well as the Gora Blood Bank, which has regular donation drives in the community. Vaccination and immunization. In many different areas of India, knowledge of vaccines and their benefits are either unknown or misunderstood. Often they are not used, leading to the spread of many preventable diseases. To help counter this problem, Vasavya Nursing Home has undertaken a program to provide free vaccines to children in many regions of Andhra Pradesh. The vaccines they administer include polio, DPT, MMR, cholera and rubella, saving hundreds of lives and improving the general health of communities throughout the region. Surgeries. For over 30 years, the staff of Vasavya Hospital have performed countless surgeries free of cost to the members of the community. These operations span a wide spectrum of conditions. Most notably, many corrective surgeries for physically challenged children have been performed, creating radical change for their families in the community. Children who were once assumed to be dependent on their families for life now have been able to become active members of the community, many providing a much needed source of income for their families. One such case is of a child with polio who underwent surgery at Vasavya and went on to set up a non-profit organization that supports the physically handicapped children in achieving their full potential. Training programs. Throughout the years, Vasavya has provided a number of training programs in the medical field for young boys and girls in the community who would otherwise be unable to continue with their education due to their family's financial situation or social problems. These include nursing, midwifery, physiotherapy, bedside assistance, rural healthcare, health and nutrition, and multipurpose health training. There are also programs to train medical laboratory technicians, integrated rural development program workers, and Balwadi and Anganwadi workers on health education. Counseling. Doctors from Vasavya Nursing Home participate in counseling services as a way to help move towards greater gender equality in India. Family and marriage counseling play a significant role in this. Traditionally, women are viewed as inferior in Indian society and are expected to take on greater burden in family and household matters. Because of lack of knowledge, it is common that women are blamed if they give birth to girl children, leading to take a second wife, divorce, and being shunned by her husband's family. Through education and counseling, couples are taught the correct science of conception and are encouraged to recognize that they are in equal partnership and should work together and help each other in all things. Counseling has helped to play a pivotal role in bringing attitudinal change in the community. Dr. Samaram. Dr. Samaram has held many prominent positions at both the state and national level as the former national president of the Indian Medical Association, helping to create better national health policies in conjunction with several key government officials. He has received a place in the Indian Book of Records for giving eyesight to 850 corneal blind people and also found a place in the Telugu Book of Records for writing over 200 books in Telugu, providing medical knowledge in a language understandable to common people. Vasavya Nursing Home is comprised of a large team of dedicated doctors who work with Dr. Maru and Dr. Samaram in their mission to provide medical social work. And here ends the article of Medical Social Work in Action of Atheist Center. And we shall meet with another article in the next episode. Thank you.
For more videos, please subscribe to this channel Positive Atheism and activate the bell icon. Please download Samaram multi-channel app and watch your favorite channels from your mobile. App app available on Google Play Store and subscribe to the channels.